Good medical morning. This is Watson with another eye-popping and pimple-popping medical video. Today's topic has to do with the once great YouTube pages that have fallen to the wayside thanks to a push for PG content and corporate sites. Let's start with number 5, Russ Hamstring. He's the man we term the King of Grease. Russ was YouTube's original microscope pimple popper. Maybe he wasn't as physically attractive as Dr. Sanjali or Dr. Mike. Russ had some of the deepest and most fluid-filled pores on the planet. Sadly, something happened and many of his channels were deleted and demonetized. Only a few videos remain of this pioneer of popping. Next, the Karma Blackhead channel. Karma was one of YouTube's fastest growing acne channels with cysts, pimples, and a variety of medical videos, but it was removed overnight. Sources cited a lack of educational content on the channel as a reason. What do you think, folks? Do you long for popping sites like the Karma channel? Number 3, George and Joy. George and Joy were the top poppers in the great state of Florida. Here's a look at some of their content. However, their channel was also deleted overnight. What do you think happened? Why did a site like this get deleted so quickly? Should folks like George and Joy be popping pimples online again? Number 4, Dr. ER. Okay, this one may be controversial. We are huge fans of Dr. ER, but he's had to switch to a PG format to be more advertiser friendly. Long gone are the days of regular emergency room procedures. Now most of his videos are about his kids or his daily life. We still support Dr. ER, but it is a shame that censorship has got the best of him. And finally, Josefa Reina. Josefa was one of YouTube's top poppers of all time. She was a blackhead queen for sure, but as ad revenue dropped, her desire to post new videos did as well. What do you think, folks? Should Josefa start posting daily videos again? Leave her a comment below telling her how much you miss her amazing channel. Thanks again for watching our little medical channel. We post new videos every Monday, so please support our channel by subscribing and clicking the notification bell. We don't make any ad revenue, so all our videos are solely because we love our fans. That's you. Every bit of support is appreciated. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
For example, last night I just couldn't sleep. It was about midnight. I took 2 Rest More and within 30 minutes I was asleep. I didn't wake up at all through the night. I didn't wake up groggy.
Anything I've tried before that was all natural, it was all a joke. Rest More, it really worked. I sleep 8 hours now. I wake up every morning. I'm refreshed. I'm ready to go. I have great days. Rest More is the greatest thing in the world.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh, rested in the mornings. I highly recommend this for anyone who has trouble sleeping, especially if you're a senior citizen like I am.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.